Hello there, welcome to another's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today we're gonna work on a flap Welt Pocket. Okay, there. Okay, now let me bring the camera down. If and when you're working with a heavy fabric, make sure from the seam allowance from the bottom, you take in a little bit more. Like if your seam is half an inch, you take in about 1/8 from the bottom of the seam allowance, and then you slant it to the folded edge, just like I've done this. It's not necessary, but it's good when you have a thick fabric. It reduces the bulk of the pocket itself. Okay, so today I'm going to pin this with you, and then just like we did the first one, then I'm going to take you to the machine, and then we'll take it from there. Oh, I forgot to let you know, when it comes to flap pocket, you can't cut it extra like I did the first one. This one you had to stitch the side close, the side of the flap close. Okay, so you can't cut it extra like I did the very first one. Now, and then the pocket, the flap itself goes at the bottom, not the top line, just the bottom line, because when we finish we're gonna flip it. Okay, when we finish stitching that side, we're gonna flip this up. Okay, so it goes at the bottom line, not the top line. Okay, now so, and then the pocket exactly like I did the first one too, as I keep repeating. So let me get myself together, and then we can go to the machine and continue from there. Thank you. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, and we're gonna stitch it. Okay, so let's go. Oh, I always forget to tell you guys, okay, I'll tell you when I'm done. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so I'm gonna stitch the top part, and then I'll come off, trim the middle part of it, and then we'll take it from there. Oh, one thing I keep forgetting to tell you guys. Ay, ay, ay. See the corner? I always reinforce from about 3/4 all the way down, and then all the way from up or wherever, or from down, but the corner I always reinforce it, okay, before I do anything. So I'll be right back. I'm only going to stitch the top part, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, I cut it and I trimmed the triangle or slash into it, and then I understitch just the pocket at the seam allowance, you hold on to it, and then you understitch on both sides. Now I'm going to do the corners like I showed you last week, and then finish the pocket, and I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. This is it. My corners needs a little bit improvement, but this is it. On this one, you don't sew the top first at the corners before you sew the pocket. You sew it all at one shot, okay? With the top, you sew that all the way around, and then you can set the pocket. And this, the top, you can stitch, machine stitch to finish, or you can finish it by hand. This I did both machine stitch, but you can also finish it by hand skip. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So we are done. One more time. As I said, my corners could be better than what I have, but it's okay. Next week, we'll continue and do the pant back pocket welt. Okay, so we'll do that, and then maybe another set of different pockets, then we'll be done. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thanks.